No i myk. Kontynuujemy bez zbędnego niczego.
Javi, you're back! And Clementine.
Thanks for the warm welcome.
Just surprised to see you is all.
Guys, this is Ava.
Oh yeah, I know who she is. She's got a hell of a punch.
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you, Ava. Oh, hell. You okay?
Yeah, it looks worse than it is. Don't worry about it.
Kate's lying down in the other room for a bit.
So you got the guns, huh?
We got them all right. One for you, and one for you.
Fajne, kurde.
I saved this one for you.
O,
No, I've already got one.
jaki A?
Actually, it wouldn't hurt to have another.
A? Ale ma serce dziewczyna, może z niej coś będzie.
Thanks.
Można powiedzieć wręcz nietypowa
What took
sytuacja.
you so long?
We went to see Dr. Lingard.
At night? I'm kind of surprised he was sober. It's gotta be a stressful
Nie był.
job. Looking after an entire community?
He was definitely not 100% there. That's for sure.
Sounds about right.
Why don't you go talk to Kate, okay?
Okay.
The sun will be rising in a few hours. Jones' people know we're holed up here, and they're gonna come looking for us. All of us.
Ah, for fuck's sake.
Maybe it's not as bad as we think. Fucking figures.
And there's no going anywhere with those things blocking our exit.
They like me, that has to help somehow.
Just because they like you doesn't mean they're gonna like the rest
This
of us.
is fucked.
Sitting ducks up here.
We can't just wait around here to get shot, that's for damn sure.
Hey, we can do this!
Yeah!
We've gotten out of tougher jams before,
Yeah.
haven't we?
I mean, sure. But this is different. We can't just cut and run. Not with the herd out there. Like it or not, we're fucking stuck in Richmond. Now how the fuck are we gonna put the brakes on this thing?
Joan and her people are going to be at the square, right?
Right.
We need to bring the fight to them.
Yes,
We go after Joan, our problems are solved.
yes.
Great. So, how do we do that?
It's a good question. Joan will probably have a full security detail with her. She'll be insulated from us and from anybody in
Znasz
Richmond who
aliantów.
doesn't agree with what she's doing.
If there are good people left in Richmond who are against what Joan's doing, we need to ask for their help. If we can talk to the people at the trial, present the case to everyone in Richmond, we might not have to do this on our own. We light the match, the people do the rest.
After we take Joan out, we're gonna need some way out of this mess. I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm not much of a runner.
We've got a truck, a big one, that we used to use for Walker defense. It's a little busted up, but it's way better than nothing.
People are gonna be patrolling these streets looking for us. How far away is this truck?
I'll show you. We've been expanding, pushing out further, making the safe zone even bigger.
Fajne
Can't
namalowane.
promise you they've cleared all the walkers yet, but that's where the truck's parked.
I could spit and hit it.
We steal that thing, nothing will be able to stop us.
Steal what?
Hey,
O, jakaś...
Jesus, Javi, is that blood on your shirt? You said it wasn't that bad.
It isn't.
How the hell did this happen? Oh, you're bleeding right through that bandage.
Nic.
You should have told me as soon as you got in.
it's not deep, it's just bled a lot. Besides, it's already taken care of. Clementine sewed me up back at the doctor's.
You still didn't answer my question. What happened?
He got stabbed, okay? By one of the guards.
A się
Thought you
obruszył.
knew what you were doing.
You're still alive, aren't you?
Eleanor, can you take a look at this?
No przecież dobrze jest.
As long as he keeps it clean, it should be okay.
Would you guys stop making such a big deal about it? It happened. It's over. Move on already.
Lol.
I'm just trying to make sure he's okay, Gabe.
What we need to be talking about is the plan. Oh, I have a bunch of ideas. I want to be the one to go after Dad. Just give me a gun and I'll do whatever.
Dobra,
I know the
zawrzyj,
town. I know
Zawrzyj.
what Dad's gonna be thinking.
zawrzyj się.
Let the grown-ups come up with a plan. Okay, Gabe?
Cause yours is gonna be so much better than mine. Whatever.
Who's to say you're even coming along, kid?
Are you fucking kidding me?
O, jak brzydko mówi.
Ugh, this is bullshit! I'm not staying behind.
Gabe, take a breath.
He's my dad. I'm going.
Gabe się,
It's going to be
Gabe
dangerous
się
out there,
zagrzał.
and I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
If we get to save Dad, then getting hurt is worth it. It's worth dying for. This is more important to me than anyone else. I've got a gun, and I know how to
Nikt
use
nie
it.
będzie umierał,
No
Gabe.
way anybody
Ciulu.
is dying. Not today. That's why we have to take the time to talk it
Ciululu.
through, so everybody comes out okay. Nobody here is gonna let you be a martyr, Gabe. Your life is precious.
Okay,
No tak,
so you want to
nie do
dive
końca.
bomb Joan and save the day. Do we have to leave? This place
Maruje.
is comfortable.
Chyba ja.
Hell yeah, we're out of here. A handful of people against everyone out there. Everything out there.
We
That's
can do this.
doable?
Yes, we can. Jak
Probably.
Obama.
We can do this.
A ma oba.
I know we can. We've got the guns, we've got a plan, and soon we're gonna have that truck. So let's get started.
Hell,
Na roboty do
I'm
rzeczy
still
go
in.
wysłać.
I promised David I'd always
Do
have his
Bauera.
back. Let's do it.
Without Conrad, you guys need me, and you know it.
Sure as hell seems that way.
Me, Clem, Kate, and Gabe will go after the car.
Me and Eleanor, we'll get some supplies together. Here, take a walkie. I'll let everyone know when things kick off.
Ava, you take the other one and keep checking in, no matter what.
I'll get my stuff and meet you at the square.
Okay, let's move out.
Aha. Niezręczna situation. Czy będą dymy?
Clem, you come with me to get the truck. Gabe and Kate, you guys hang back here. Be ready for anything.
Co on takie afy ciepie ten
Let's
młody?
go.
O co mu? O co mu chodzi?
You, actually.
That wasn't the plan, Gabe.
Actually, I was kind of hoping you'd be willing to watch my back on this one. Don't want to get surprised while I'm out there.
Yeah. Okay. I guess somebody needs to be a lookout.
What?
Nothing. Gabe and I will be fine back here.
Aha. Coś tam ten, tin. Chcesz pogadać? Mody.
What's up?
What's up? Dobra, pogadamy
Let's
później.
talk later.
All right.
Watch my back. A już by tam kurde tin. Watch back. Very uważnie.
Gotta be careful.
Łażą
Any more muertos pushing, those boards won't hold up.
zgniłki. Excavator. Ej, nie wiedziałem, że to się nazywa tak. Excavator. Całkiem spoko nazwa.
This thing looks like it moves too slow for an escape.
No. Exactly. Ale tym to bym pojeździł.
What's going on?
Thanks.
For what?
Helping out with Gabe. He's having a rough time.
Yeah, we all are. I'm just doing what I can.
Let's keep looking for that truck.
No bo wiecie jak
You
to
got
jest, że... że dziewczyny szybciej dojrzewają. I Gabe jest jeszcze głupi, a ona już jest mniej głupia.
Guess they'll be using that for construction once
Prostych
they clear this
słowach.
area.
Chociaż czas to nie zawsze ma przełożenie w rzeczywistości. Ble.
Sturdy, but only room for one.
4. Klemp. Co wy gadacie? Toż to jeszcze dzieci! Co tu... A, jab, a ja przedtem jeb. Polacy byli.
There it is. Let's go. What are the chances?
Czuję, że tam...
50-50.
Czuję, że tam coś złego będzie w środku.
Smart ass.
A nie.
They say how long it's gonna take for them to finish up.
O.
People keep getting pushed onto other.
We've got company.
Hell yeah, this graveyard shift is killing me. Oh, let me get some men.
Early risers. Come on, we gotta hurry and finish before more people wake up.
What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
We can't start the engine. Not without attracting a lot of attention. Kate, you steer. The rest of us are gonna get behind the truck and push. See if we can't get some distance between us and them. Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Na pych. No. To jest średni po... Okej. Może nie jest taki zły.
Turns out you needed me after all, huh?
No, żebyś ci z auto byłeś
Just
potrzebny.
I know you didn't want me to come along.
Ale ja będę kłamał, że jestem
If I'd
taki
stayed
dobry.
behind, maybe we wouldn't have
I
been
w
able to
ogóle.
get the truck.
You know I'm just trying to keep you safe, don't you?
Yeah, but
But nothing. You want to keep doing stuff like this, you gotta learn how to follow directions.
Don't think those guys will be able to hear the engine all the way over here. I put it in neutral. Couldn't find an ignition key in there.
Tak się wyprowadza auto.
Guess you'll have to hotwire it.
Metal zeszły od powietrza, jak w lalce
Try not
tam,
to shock yourself.
co mu pokazał, to takie...
Shit.
Jak ten koncept.
I'll need something to strip the wires.
They left all their supplies lying around. Bet there'll be some tools out there somewhere.
Just try to hurry, okay?
Okej. Taki mamy klimat. Co mi się przyda? Motek na pewno. Ło! Kurde bele. Ale się zagrzałem. Przebudziło mnie.
Almost there. Keep an eye out while I get it started, okay?
I'll check on the guys in the office.
Clem and I will look out for walkers.
O!
Okay. Here goes.
Kuku.
Wire cutter should help with this.
Okej. A muszę i tak wszystkie, myślałem, że to ma jakieś znaczenie. A ty widzę, że nie.
Gotta connect the battery to the ignition.
Battery to the ignition. Dobra,
Let there be light.
dali mi mało opcji na szczęście, także nie muszę się zastanawiać. Ojej.
Oh shit.
Trochę źle.
Don't get electrocuted. Don't get electrocuted.
Javi, hurry up.
No przecież.
Hey, let's go.
Jadim. No i dobrze. Niech se radzą, gnoje.
The square is a couple of blocks away. This is a good place to wait.
Do we have enough gas?
I'm not about to turn the engine off again.
What now?
We wait for Ava to call us on the walkie.
So, nothing for us to do but sit and watch the sun come up.
Ojej.
Well, I know we've got something important to do. I'm teaching you to play euchre.
That's not a real thing.
It's a card game. Come on, it's fun.
It's nice to be driving around with a couple kids in the back seat again. Really takes you back, doesn't it? Just you and me and Gabe and Mari.
A, były czasy, kiedyś to było.
This is nice.
Kiedyś to było,
If I just
panie.
close my eyes, we're right back where we were. All of us together.
Do what I do. Try to think about the nice
No i no
stuff.
jakby Davida nie było, nie?
Everything that
To by,
happened
to
after.
by było lepiej trochę.
Gotcha.
Oh, come on. That's not even a good rule.
Still gotcha.
Guess he stopped playing it cool with her. In case you haven't noticed, Gabe's got a little crush on Clementine. He likes her. You get it?
Well, okay, I sort of
Niech se tam
I
żyją,
hope
nie?
it works out for them. I really do. They're good for each other. I think.
Think their first official date will be target practice?
Then skinning and eating a wild animal.
Young love. It's so normal, you know? Like, as crazy as things get, as terrible and tragic and just plain stupid, there's nothing more wonderfully ordinary as two kids falling for each other. Not that they're there yet, but to feel something that intensely
No
for another
panie,
person.
falling is an easy
Kinda like
part.
the best drug there
Znaczy,
is.
dwa.
Hey, the falling in love is the easy part.
It's the staying in love part that'll really mess you up. It's unfair, that's all I'm saying. That they're feeling what they're feeling right now, and when that sun gets a little higher, it's right back to the fight. I just wish he could have had a childhood, you know? I wish I could have given them that.
Follow your
Him
heart.
and Mari, both. They
A
deserved
tam
better than this.
babo dej
Like,
pokój.
you did the best you could, Kate. You kept this family alive as
Yeah,
long as you
they-
possibly could. It counts for a lot.
I hope you know, Javi, having you there with me, right by my side, all this time, that's what made the difference.
To jest, moi drodzy, crash tak zwany.
You're so sure of what you're doing all this
To jest
for.
crash klasyczny.
You didn't run away. You could have.
A taki już jestem.
I think that's just, who I am, you know? Who I am now, at least.
I get it.
Naturalnie.
There's no graceful way to say this, so I'm just gonna say it. I know we've had moments, you and I. And they're always a little hot and a little confusing, and maybe some of them haven't meant anything at all. But before whatever happens tomorrow happens, I need you to know, whatever this thing is between us, I want to give it a chance. And I know the fact that David is back in our lives now makes this whole thing a little more complicated. But do you feel the same way? I'd really like to know.
If the feeling
things
flow
get crazy.
both ways. Jak to
We
śpiewali?
might not get another chance.
Yes! Of
Let's go for
course!
We gotta try, right?
A to teoria jak...
Oh my god, really?
Really?
So are we gonna...
Trochę jak w... Trochę jak w podstawówce.
Okay.
Tylko,
Yeah.
że
Shit.
poważniej,
We're
doroślej.
doing this. You do realize we're gonna have to have a weird conversation with David, right? It's the right way to play this. He already got the sense I was pulling away. I just want to be able to tell him in person. It'll feel better that way.
I hope he can handle it. I know he's good under pressure, but this is
Ooh la
different.
la!
Yeah, here's
Voulez-vous?
hoping he doesn't completely flip out. Considering we're about to save his life, maybe he'll cut us a break.
Javi, it's an execution over here. She's planning to hang David in front of the whole crowd. You've got to get over here, now. Don't bring the truck. If they see it, they'll kill him right away. If you can just get into the square...
To pozolecone.
Shit.
Trzeba do
We
roboty
gotta get over
wracać.
there. Now.
I'm going to hang back here with the truck.
Keep the walkie close by. We'll tell you as soon as we've got David.
Good luck.
No to po całości.
Nothing else from Ava?
Nope. And it sounds like a crowd out there.
Nope.
It sounded like Ava got cut off by something. Or somebody.
Perhaps. No to na razie to by było na
Wish
tyle.
we had some idea of what we're heading into. Like, is the whole plan shot?
Maybe the
Or
walkie
did she
died.
just have a little
The
setback?
walkie dead.
I hate not knowing.
We can't get distracted.
Can't get distracted. I don't know what happened on the other side, but it doesn't change what we have to do.
I just wish we had a little more information, that's all.
We're not gonna know what went wrong until we actually do this thing. So, let's do it already.
You ready?
We just have to remember, if we're going to do something risky,
We've got to make sure we protected ourselves.
Myślałem, że mu broda rośnie.
Exactly.
A on jest brudny po
we're gonna get
prostu.
Dad back. We can't fight fair.
Sorry. Tak wyszło. Ej, wiecie co? Ten epizod jest... Spoko, ale jest... telenowelą. W dużej części. W większości.
David Garcia has to be punished.
O!
He's done.
Shit.
We can't wait for the others, can we?
For years now, Richmond has been governed by one simple principle. Strong council, strong community. But, unfortunately, the actions of one of the members of that council, our security expert, David Garcia, have put us all
She's
in...
lying to all of you!
I'm sorry to have to show you this. Truly, I am. But you all need to see.
Nie ma co ratować już.
Just look what he's done. He murdered these men in cold blood.
Tego to żem się nie spodziewał.
I saw him murder Lonnie with my own eyes. Some of the best men I ever knew, cut down in their prime. Is this who we want in charge? Someone this reckless, this cruel? Not if I have anything to do with it.
I can't believe this is really happening. She's gonna kill him. She can't do this to him. He's kept him safe.
Dobra, kurde, tego.
Try to keep your cool. Joan's smart, but we're smarter. We just have to be careful.
We can't screw this up, Javi.
Javier! I'd heard you were planning to crash our little party. Why don't you come on up here? Show your face to everyone. I'm sure these people would like to hear what you have to say.
No i powiem wszystko.
Happy to. Been waiting for this all day.
Then I'll try not to disappoint you. I had a very interesting conversation with your friend, Eleanor last night. Isn't that right, Eleanor?
That's right.
She said you were coming here to rally the people against me. Convince them that I was no good for Richmond. Don't know how you thought you were going to pull it off.
Sprzedała.
Considering it's all of us against the three
Sprzedała.
of you.
And that's exactly what I'm planning to do.
Appreciate the honesty, which makes this so much harder. Here in Richmond, people who put themselves before the group don't last long. Bring them out.
Get away from me.
Making a mistake.
Ava!
O ja.
They had them this whole time.
David wanted to tear this whole place down. He told his people where to find our gun supply, and sure enough, they picked us clean. You really thought you could ride into town and stage a coup? With our own damn weapons?
No i
Something
będzie-
like that? I can't just let it go.
No i będzie wybór pewnie.
You've put me in a no-win situation here. So I'm gonna do the same thing to you. Both of them deserve to die for their crimes. However, Javi, I'll let you spare
O
them.
ja.
Just
No,
Joan! Don't!
Not after what they tried to do. You may be guilty
Weź
of bringing
mnie.
them into this, but they chose to go along with it.
If you're gonna punish anyone, it should be me, not them.
So ready to sacrifice yourself for others. Don't worry, Javi. I'm not through with you yet.
Joan, are you sure about this? We never agreed to killing all these people.
It's really up to Javi, isn't it? All eyes are on you. Maybe this will help you make up your mind. Boys? Come on, Javi. Who's it gonna be? Your friend or your brother's lieutenant?
Oh, come on! This is fucking stupid.
You can't be serious. God damn you, Joan.
Do the right thing, Javi.
How could you do this?
Kurwa mać. A!
Let Ava live. David believes in her, and so do I.
Javi! No!
I fucking trusted you, Javi. And now you're throwing me under the bus? You go to hell.
Shoot her.
Wait! I said don't shoot Ava!
You did, but there's something else you need to understand. Betrayal.
Joan, think about what you're doing. Ava's one of us. You can't fucking do this.
Co?
This is fucked.
I can do anything I want. You brought this on yourself. Do it.
You can't.
Kurwa.
No!
Fajnie.
Oh my god, they really shot her.
God damn it.
Now, David, it's your turn.
Barabasza!
I can't believe this. This isn't how we do things. This is madness.
Stop her, Clint! Is this the process you trusted?
No!
Think about this, Javi. You know what's gonna happen here. You ready for that?
We don't murder in Richmond. We exile. That's how we've always done things. How about you take David and the rest of your people and just get the hell out? Go far away from Richmond, and then whatever you do is up to you.
I'm sure the herd outside would like that.
She thinks she's sending us out there to die.
She's counting on it.
Everybody put your guns away. We're gonna handle this peacefully. Don't listen to them, Javi. They're fucking butchers, all of them. Shoot that bitch. Take her out. She deserves it. If you don't do it, I
Kurwa!
fucking will.
A chuj!
Go to hell, Joan!
Dad!
No dźwignijcie go, no! No i będzie żył, no i dobra. No i dobra. Będziemy deal robić z frajerami.
Son of a bitch! Get back here! Gabe, I need you to cover me. We gotta make things right.
Okay.
Prawidłowa osoba na prawidłowym stanowisku.
Dad needs us. We gotta get out there.
Dobra, idź pomóż staremu. Idź. Idź!
Go on.
Cię tak rwie, to idź.
Thanks.
Pierdolnie jasny.
Shit, I gotta help her.
God damn it! Just go. I'll try and cover you.
Aj, Gary!
We had a way out of this, Javi. Why did you have to go and shoot her? Shit, get down! I hear gunfire. What the hell is going on over there?
A nic.
Are you guys okay?
Nie mogę gadać.
Can't talk. Trying to avoid getting shot.
I can't hear you. It's too loud. It's Kate. She's coming for us.
O, ciulingy.
Oh, God!
Javi, you've got to get over there before...
No nie godejcie, że po miłości. Nie! Nie! Nie w takim momencie! Kurwa! Kurwa! Przecież to jest nieludzkie. Przecież te ostatnie 10 minut to było najlepsze w tym całym epizodzie. O wy gnoje! No nie, 1,5 godziny musiał trwać, no Q2. Dobra, tu byłem w większości. Tu byłem w... tak se. Tu byłem we większości też. Tu byłem też we większości. Tu też. A, mało hipstersko w sumie. Nie chcę żadnego Batmana waszego. No i tyle, kurde, i tyle. Lepszy od ostatniego epizodu, ale ale przegadane, w sensie... Tak naprawdę to zajebiste było ostatnie 10 minut, a reszta była telenowelowo. To był taki o miłości, o tym, uczucia, że i w ogóle, no... Takim ludziom, takim uczuciowym, co się wzruszają dużo i... To się może podobało, no mi tak... Średnio, powiem szczerze. Trochę więcej akcji, no. Ej, no i został nam 5. From the gallows, Javier and the others are faced with great sacrifices to salvage what remains. 5, który pewnie jak ten wyszedł tak szybko, to ten wyjdzie za 3 miesiące. Aj. To w ogóle ten The New Frontier jest gorszy niż poprzednie The Walking Deady. Jednak pierwszy z Lee był... O, zajebisty był tam. Każdy moment trzymał w napięciu. Dosłownie. I ta postać tego Lee była świetna. I no... A tu tak... Wśród zombie nie można kochać. Można. Ale nie powinno się. No. No i co? No i to tyle. No i zakończam odcinek na YouTube'a. Dzięki za uwagę. Napiszcie, co uważacie. Czy graliście, czy się podobało, czy się nie podobało. Zostawcie łapkę w górę. Wpadajcie na G2A, na Facebooka, na streamy. Tyle.